lesson today we're talking about solving equation. Our lesson is consists of two words, solving and equation. And we will know what is meaning of each separated word, what is meaning of solving and what is meaning of equation. Let's start with equation. Equation is a mathematical statement, has two expressions and they are separated by equal sign. So equation, it has two expressions and separated by equal sign. Let's see examples to show what's meaning of equation. Number one, x plus 1 equal 4. X plus 1 is expression, 4 is expression, and they are separated by equal sign. Number two, 2y minus 1 equal 9. 2y minus 1 is expression, 9 is expression, and they are separated by equal sign. Number three, 3x equal 15. 3x is expression, 15 is an expression, and they are separated by equal sign. Z divided 3 or Z over 3 equals 6. Z divided 3 is an expression, and 6 is an expression, and they are separated by equal sign. In these examples, we have here some unknowns, x, y, or z. So equations is two expressions and they are separated by equal sign. Let's move to the other word, solving. Solving equations mean find the value of the unknown variable in the equation. As we said in the last examples, we have some unknown, x, y, or z, any unknown, any variable. Solving mean find the value of this expression or find the value of this unknown. And we now have a note. The opposite of plus is minus, and the opposite of minus is, yes, plus. Plus and minus, both of them are opposite to each other. And times and divided, both of them are opposite to each other. The opposite of times is divided, and the opposite of divided is times. Let's now to move how to solve equation. Solve equation means find the value of the unknown variable. Number one, number A, x minus 3 equal 5. Here, x minus 3 is an expression and 5 is an expression and they are separated by equal sign. So it's called the equation. To solve this equation, we said before, find the value of the unknown variable here. Our unknown variable here is x. Our unknown variable is x. So to find the value of x, all you have to do, let x in one side and all the number in the other side. Let's start. Look at this. We deal here with equal sign as the flat of the door of your flat. If you want to go out of this door, you must change your clothes. You can't go out with your home clothes. You must change your clothes. The number, if wanted to go to the other side of the equal sign, it must change its clothes. But the closest of the number, is the sign before it. Is the sign before it. Look at this here. What is the sign? 3 will to go to the other side. But what is the sign of minus of 3 here? It's minus. So it will go to the other side. But we said before, any number wanted to go to the other side of equal sign, it must change its closest. It must change its sign. With change mean opposite, the opposite of its sign. It's here with minus, and we say before any the opposite of minus it will be plus. So x will be equal 5 plus 3, and you know that 5 plus 3 equal 8. So x equal 8. And if you put the value of x here in the equation, it will be 8 minus 3. Yes, of course, 8 minus 3 equal 5. So the value of x is right. Let's move to the second equation. Y plus 4 equals 6. To solve, we mean that find the value of y. Find the value of the unknown y. Here, beside y, I have plus 4. And if I need only y in the side, the numbers must go to the other side. If it wanted to go to other side of equal, it must change its sign. Find the opposite sign. Here, plus 4, it will go to the other side, yes, as you said. It will be minus 4. And it will be y equal 6 minus 4, yes, 2. And if you put the value of y here, we find the value of y 2. 2 plus 4, it will be 6. So y equal 2 is right. Let's move to third example, number 3. 3x equal 15. We said before, if the number is beside the variable, so it means it's multiply. Here 3 is with multiplying sign, times 3, and I want only x in this side and all the number in the other side. So it will be go with divided sign because the opposite of times is divided. So x 3 will go to the other side by divided. Then x will be equal 15 divided 3 and 15 divided 3 equal 5. Then x equal 5. Check your answer. Here is x and we put and we find x equal 5. So 3 times 5, yes, as you said, equal 15. So x equal 5 is a true answer. Let's move to number D. Z over 4 equal 5. Z over 4 or Z divided 4. You hear Z is by divided. Z here is by divided 4. So 4 is with divided and it will go to the other side by, yes, the opposite of divided is times. So Z will be 5 times 4 equal 20. So the value of Z equal 20. And if you put the value of Z here, 20 divided 4, yes, as you said, equal 5. So the value of Z, 20, is right. Let's move to example number E. 2m plus 6 equal 12. Here I have times m times 2 and plus 6. What is I want to find the value of m. Value of m here I want m in one side and all the number in the other side. But here beside m I have two number times 2 and plus 6. Which number will move first? Plus or minus will must move first. If you have a plus or if you have a minus, it will move first, and if you have a times and divided, it move the second. Here I have plus 6 and times 2. What is the number move first? Yes, as you said, it will be plus 6. And plus 6 will go to the other side. It plus changed into minus. So a 2m will be 12 minus 6. And 12 minus 6 equal 6. Here I have 2m equal 6. 2 will go to the other side and it will go to by divided. So m will be 6 divided 2 is 3. So the value of m is 3. And if we put the value of m here, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 6 equal 12. So m equals 3 is a true answer. Let's move to number F. L divided 2 minus 4 equals 7. L divided 2 minus 4 equals 7. Here I have L divided 2 and minus 4. What will move first? Yes, as we said before, plus or minus must move first. Here I have minus. It will move first to the other side and the change its sign will be plus. So L over 2 or L divided 2 equal 7 plus 4. 4 go to the other side by plus sign. And you know that 7 plus 4 equal 11. So L divided 2 equal 11. And here divided 2. Go to the other side to find the value of L. It will be 11 times 2. And you know that 11 times 2 equal 22. So value of L equal 22. If you put the value of L here, 22 divided 2 equal 11. 11 minus 4 equal 7. So the value of L is right. After finishing this example, you can see your booklet page 24 and 25. You must solve the equations in page 24 and 25. Note that solving equation mean find the value of the unknown variable. Thank you for listening and see you next time inshallah.